Hello.
I'm
What's your
playing
name?
Jackson.
And what are you playing?
The jump lava.
Oh, well, show me your monster trucks.
Strawberry and zombie.
And, ooh, who's that?
Maggie.
And this?
Blue Thunder.
This?
Green Gray.
This one?
Dragonoid.
This one?
No, don't let now.
That one?
Dragonoid.
That one?
Oh, shaker.
Okay, so they're going to go up this ramp and try and not get in the lava,
Okay.
right? Okay. Here, let me try one. He went in! Oh! He went right to the bottom. Okay, let's try this one. Who's this one? What's this one?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder. What? Oh, he went into... Oh. Straight to the bottom. Let's race. Is he gonna go in? Oh, he made it. Woo!
It's for Maggie.
I'm safe. Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, no. Is he gonna go in? Is he going in? Ah! Ah! Hey, Megalodon, you're supposed to swim.
Okay, I'll grab it.
If you want.
No.
You want some? Oh, no.
I'm Dragonoid red.
And I'm Dragonoid too. Oh, I went in.
I'm red. I'm green wheels to go.
Oh, I'm just gonna get a drink. Oh, ah. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, you're getting the regular size monster trucks now? Okay, I guess I'll get this garbage truck one. Whoa, the big splash. Check this one out. Wow. Oh, ah. Oh, he flipped over. A donut? Oh.
Yeah. Little splash.
Let's see what he does. Oh, little splashy. A car.